Welcome to this Windows Computer and Technology channel. Of course, we're starting a new month, and I don't look at the numbers that often lately because they're uninteresting in general. But it is interesting to note one thing, is that Microsoft Edge is creeping up slowly. Now, it's not creeping up very fast, but it's enough that, over the last few months, as Microsoft Edge Chromium has been slowly gaining momentum. What's happening is that they finally surpassed a few marks that I think are worth talking about. So this is StatCounter Global Stats, and this actually is for desktop browsers. So it's PCs, basically. Laptop, desktop, and so on. Anything that is a PC. And what happens is that they give us the market share, and behold, Edge, second most popular browser. Now, it's, of course, something that you got to really take kind of, easily, because 10%, when you look at Chrome, that's at 66.6. There's a huge difference. You can say that there's Chrome and there's a ton of other browsers in general, but it's still, Chrome is extremely dominant. I think it's an unfair battle right now. What's happening? I think there should be other browsers with a higher count and more market share, and it's a tough one. And people have adopted Chrome, and now people are installing Chrome. Every time they have something, that's what they use. I'm not one of the guys that installs Chrome automatically. I have it because I make videos. I have it because there's a couple of things that require Chrome to be the main browser for it, and that doesn't really work with other browsers. But overall, I use Edge, and I'll use whatever browser my computer comes with easily. I'm one of those guys that doesn't really care about the browser that much. Honestly, I use what's there, and I only use another one if, for some reason, I can't use that other browsers to do the same work. One of the things that Chrome doesn't really work in Edge is the ability to, for example, live stream. You can live stream through the Chrome browser easily. It doesn't work through Edge, or at least I haven't tried in a long time. Maybe it does today and I didn't try it. But in general, there's a lot of stuff like that Chrome will do and only Chrome can do. I talk about Edge from time to time. We talked about today the latest update, where Edge 101 follows closely with the Chrome version numbers. And I just think, do people that get on the computer and just need a browser, click on Edge, and it's like it's there, it works, it does what they want, and stay there? I don't know. It obviously is gaining a little more popularity. So there are people just, that is there. Might as well go on the internet with it. It works. It does what I want. Because it's a lot more that than anything else. The browser you use is kind of a personal preference for some people. But for a lot of people, they don't care. They want to use whatever brings on you on the internet and you serve the web with. That's it. They don't care. I get, these comments all the time about, everybody should use Brave, everybody should. People don't care. You've got to stick to the point that people don't care. You care, but you're the 0.004% that cares. People don't care. People do not think more than it's a browser. People are not in that, I use Chrome, I might be snooped on more than if I use whatever else. People are not at that level. People are just, that works. That does what I want. This shows why Edge is slowly creeping up, but also Chrome is dominant because there's a habit in browsers. And one of the habits is what? Most people are scared of change. Most people, even with a new PC, first thing they want, I was using Chrome on the last one. I want to have Chrome because I'm used to Chrome. I don't want to have to deal with I don't know what I'm doing on that new browser that I don't understand. And it explains the why Chrome stays so high, and it explains why the other browsers are just like down there, really far away, not gaining too much momentum. But at least 10% market share for Edge. It isn't that bad. It isn't that great either. But that's where we stand now at early May 2022. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.